Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Vienna Biocenter Scholarship Austria. The best part about the Vienna Biocenter Scholarship is that it offers above 70 PhD scholarships. Both bachelor and MPhil student can apply for this scholarship. No need to provide IELTS score and you can submit application online without paying any application fee. Lastly, doesn't require an acceptance letter. Additionally, each applicant receives a stipend ranging from €34,200 to €37,950 per year. If you haven't applied yet, don't miss out on these incredible scholarship opportunities for 2025. Politecnico di Milano Scholarships 2025. No IELTS required. This is a fantastic opportunity to study at one of the top technical universities in Italy. HBKU Scholarship Qatar 2025. Fully funded with no IELTS or application fee. Apply now to study at Hamad bin Khalifa University in Qatar and benefit from world-class education. Russian Government Scholarship 2025. No IELTS and no application fee. This scholarship offers a fully funded opportunity to study in Russia. Fully funded scholarships without IELTS 2025. Explore a wide range of 20 fully funded scholarships that don't require IELTS. KMU Taiwan Scholarships 2025. No IELTS or application fee required. Kaohsiung Medical University in Taiwan offers fully funded scholarships for international students. Don't miss this chance. Apply now. Before we start the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship Summary. Austria's Vienna Biocenter is offering 70 fully funded PhD scholarships, providing an excellent opportunity for aspiring researchers. The scholarships cover a 3-year PhD program with full financial support. Applications open on 1st September, and the deadline to apply is 15th October. Don't miss out on this chance to pursue your doctoral studies in one of Europe's leading research institutes. Click on the link to explore various supervisors. Review their research interests and make your research proposal to align with their areas of expertise. Scholarship Benefits. The scholarship offers a full employment contract, where students are employed by their supervisor's research institute. It includes a competitive salary €34,200 to €37,950 with free accommodation. Additional benefits include health, pension, accident, and unemployment insurance, reimbursement of University of Vienna tuition fees, and visa residence permit expenses. German language courses are provided, though English is the program's working language. Students also enjoy various sports and social activities organized throughout the year. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible, applicants must hold a master's degree or equivalent in a life sciences-related field from a 2-year program with 120 ECTS, or expect to obtain it before 1st June 2025. At least 6 months of full-time research experience in a relevant scientific area is recommended. A completed application, including 2 references, one from a research supervisor, must be submitted before the deadline. Strong spoken and written English is required. Submit English proficiency certificate both for European and non-European countries. No need to provide IELTS or TOEFL. For applicants with a non-European master's degree, GPA scores from your university are required. Those applying with a bachelor's degree must hold a 4-year BA or BSc with first-class honors and 240 ECTS in a life sciences-related subject. Additionally, you must provide your degree certificate and academic transcripts during the application process and have substantial research experience. Documents required. To apply for the Vinna Biocenter Austria Scholarship 2025, you will need the following documents: academic transcripts and certificates, personal information, a CV or resume, a language proficiency certificate, letters of recommendation from a previous institution, and additional documents such as research publications, work experience, or a research proposal. The application deadline for international students is 15th October 2025. How to apply? Click on Apply link button for apply, and if you find more information, please click on website. Let me show you how to get more relevant information for this scholarship. Then I will show you how to apply. The first step requires you to complete some initial tasks. Then you will receive an email giving you access to upload more personal information. Enter your data here to sign up for this selection. If you want to apply, you will fill up these information. Personal data: first name, last name, email, sex, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, current position, institution, address, and contact numbers. Education and GPA: indicate if you hold a European degree, provide GPA scores 1 to 4 scale for non-European degrees, and upload degree documents. Research experience: submit a project description, 100 to 300 words, outlining your contributions and findings. Documents: upload academic transcripts, CV, language proficiency, and references. Referees: provide details for 2 mandatory referees and an optional third. Consent: agree to data protection and processing for application review.